ELECMAN Malleable Iron Liquid Tight Connector Straight Type is a type of electrical conduit fitting. It is used to connect and secure liquid tight flexible metal conduit electrical boxes, enclosures, or other conduit runs. The straight type connector provides a straight connection without any angles or bends. It is typically made of malleable iron material, which is known for its durability and strength. This type of connector ensures a tight and secure seal, providing protection against moisture, dust, and liquids.